5 protein powders that will revolutionize your 2025 gains. Hey everyone, are you ready to unlock your full potential in the gym? Forget those mediocre results. We're diving deep into the world of protein powders to reveal the top 5 game changers that will fuel your 2025 fitness journey. Protein is the building block of muscle, plain and simple. It's essential for recovery, growth, and overall performance. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right protein powder can feel overwhelming. Protein powders help you meet your daily protein needs, especially when you're hitting the gym hard. They're convenient, versatile, and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Think of them as your secret weapon for achieving your fitness goals. Let's get straight to the good stuff. These are the protein powders that are making waves and delivering real results. We'll cover their pros, cons, and who they're best suited for. Whey protein concentrate is a classic for a reason. It's affordable, effective, and widely available. It's a great all-around option for most gym-goers. It contains a moderate amount of fat and carbs, along with a good dose of protein. It's perfect for post-workout recovery and building muscle mass. However, those with lactose sensitivities might want to explore other options. Whey protein isolate is a more refined form of whey protein. It's lower in fat and carbs, and higher in protein content. This makes it a great choice for those watching their macros closely. It's also a good option for people with mild lactose intolerance, as it contains less lactose than whey concentrate. It's absorbed quickly, making it ideal for post-workout consumption. The downside is that it's generally more expensive than concentrate. Casein protein is a slow-digesting protein derived from milk. It's perfect for taking before bed, as it provides a sustained release of amino acids throughout the night. This helps prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. It's also a good option for those who want to feel fuller for longer. Casein protein forms a gel in the stomach, which slows down digestion and promotes satiety. It's not ideal for post-workout, as it's not absorbed as quickly as whey. Plant-based protein blends are becoming increasingly popular. They're a great option for vegans, vegetarians, and those with dairy sensitivities. These blends typically combine several plant-based protein sources, such as pea, rice, and soy. This ensures a complete amino acid profile, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. They can sometimes have a slightly different taste and texture compared to whey protein, but the benefits for those avoiding animal products are undeniable. Hydrolyzed whey protein is the most processed form of whey protein. It's broken down into smaller peptides, making it the fastest digesting protein on the market. This makes it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. It's also the most expensive type of whey protein. It's often used by athletes who need to maximize their recovery and performance. The taste can sometimes be slightly bitter due to the hydrolysis process. Choosing the right protein powder depends on your individual needs and goals. Consider your dietary restrictions, budget, and fitness goals when making your decision. Don't just grab the first tub you see. Think about your lactose tolerance. If you're sensitive to lactose, opt for whey isolate, hydrolyzed whey, or a plant-based protein. Consider your budget. Whey concentrate is the most affordable option, while hydrolyzed whey is the most expensive. Understanding the nutrition label is crucial. Pay attention to the protein content per serving, as well as the amount of carbohydrates, fat, and sugar. Look for added ingredients like artificial sweeteners and flavors. Check the amino acid profile. A complete protein source will contain all 9 essential amino acids. Consider the source of the protein. Is it from a reputable company with quality control standards? Protein powder isn't just for shakes. Get creative and incorporate it into your meals and snacks. Add it to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. You can also use it in baking recipes to boost the protein content of your muffins, pancakes, and cookies. Experiment and find new ways to enjoy your protein powder. The possibilities are endless. Don't fall for these common protein powder pitfalls. Avoid buying protein powders with excessive amounts of added sugar or artificial ingredients. Read the label carefully and choose products with minimal additives. Don't rely solely on protein powder to meet your protein needs. Focus on getting most of your protein from whole food sources, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and legumes. Protein powder should be a supplement, not a replacement. Choosing the right protein powder can make a significant difference in your fitness journey. By understanding the different types of protein and considering your individual needs, you can find the perfect supplement to help you achieve your goals. Remember, consistency and a balanced diet are key. Ready to take your fitness to the next level? Subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and advice on nutrition and training. Leave a comment below and let us know which protein powder you're currently using and why. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow gym goers. Let's crush those 2025 goals together.